If you have pectus excavatum or pectus carinatum, any kind of pectus chest deformity, you should be working out with weights. One key reason is because working out with weights is key for making the condition less noticeable. It's something everyone can do and should do, and it makes a massive difference. Especially in mild to moderate cases, you can make the deformity half as noticeable, so much less noticeable, or if you have a really mild case, you can make it unnoticeable by working out with weights. So everyone should be doing it. But the main reason why everybody with pectus should be working out with weights, it's not about pectus at all. It's about overall health and well-being. Everybody in the world should be working out with weights and just exercising in general. I just got off 2 client catch-up calls at the end of their year coaching program, and they were both had such an incredible transformation. They were both overweight, unhealthy. Their posture was slouched, they had a belly, and their pectus was super obvious. Now their pectus is hardly noticeable. They look great, but more importantly, they feel great. They have energy in their day. They're now active, they're vibrant. They just have completely changed their lifestyle in a way that has made them healthier, fitter, happier people. This is key. Exercise is key if you want to live a good, healthy, happy life. Okay, it also taught them discipline that they've transpired into other areas of their life. It completely transforms your entire life, weight training and getting into the gym and just creating exercises like a foundational part of your daily routine. So if you have pectus and you've been thinking about exercising for it, you need to start, not only for pectus, but for overall health. And then if pectus is getting you down, why not follow a routine that's tailored to it to help make pectus as least noticeable as possible? So if you're interested in that, then you should go to my website, fixpectus.com, book a call with me so I can meet you, determine the right program for you, because it depends on the person and your starting points, and then we can get started. I'd love to be a positive influence on your life to help you change not only your pectus, but your lifestyle in general, get healthy, get fit, and feel strong and feel happy.